Imagine you're in a room, staring into someone's eyes, trying to figure out if they're telling the truth. Maybe it's a friend telling you an unbelievable story, or a suspect in a police interrogation. Their words seem convincing, their expression calm, but something feels off. Could you tell if they were lying? For centuries, people have searched for ways to uncover deception, and today, we have science on our side. But how does lie detection really work? Lie detection is based on the idea that lying causes changes in the body. When someone tells a lie, they might feel nervous, guilty, or even excited. These emotions trigger physical reactions that can be measured. One of the most well-known tools for detecting lies is the polygraph, often called a lie detector test. The polygraph doesn't actually detect lies. It records physiological changes in the body, such as heart rate, blood pressure, breathing patterns, and sweat levels. The idea is that when a person lies, they experience stress, and their body responds in ways they can't control. During a polygraph test, a trained examiner asks a series of questions while the machine monitors the person's physiological responses. The examiner starts with control questions, ones that establish a baseline for how the person normally reacts. Then, relevant questions related to the issue at hand are asked. If the person's physiological responses change significantly when answering these critical questions, it might suggest they are lying. However, polygraphs aren't perfect. Some people can remain calm even when lying, while others may become anxious even when telling the truth. Because of this, polygraph results aren't always accepted as solid proof in court. Beyond polygraphs, scientists have explored other methods of lie detection. One of these involves studying microexpressions, tiny, involuntary facial movements that reveal hidden emotions. These flashes of expression, which last less than a second, can sometimes expose when someone is feeling fear, guilt, or stress while trying to deceive. Another modern approach to lie detection involves brain scans, particularly functional magnetic resonance imaging, or fMRI. This technique looks at brain activity to see which areas are working harder during different tasks. Research suggests that when people lie, their brains have to work more than when they tell the truth because lying requires extra effort, thinking of a false story, keeping it consistent, and making sure not to reveal the truth by accident. There are also voice stress analyzers, which claim to detect deception by measuring changes in a person's voice. The theory is that stress affects vocal cords, causing subtle shifts in tone and pitch. While some companies and law enforcement agencies use this technology, scientific studies have questioned its accuracy, making it a less reliable tool compared to other methods. Despite all these advancements, lie detection is still far from perfect. There are also ethical concerns about using such methods. Is it fair to judge someone based on their body's reactions, which they may not be able to control? What happens if a lie detection method falsely accuses an innocent person? Human behavior is complex, and different people react differently under pressure. Some expert liars can control their body's reactions, while some innocent people may seem deceptive simply because they are nervous. Because of these limitations, lie detection is often used as just one piece of the puzzle in investigations, rather than definitive proof. Ultimately, the ability to detect lies remains an evolving science. Do you think we'll ever have a foolproof way to detect lies? Or will deception always remain one step ahead of detection? While machines and psychological techniques can help, human intuition and careful analysis still play a major role. So, the next time you wonder if someone is lying to you, remember, it's not just about what they say, but how they say it, how they react, and what their body might be giving away without them even realizing it.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.